Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your Montana today. Up on the very cap here, you're going to see docking lights here, as well as up top, you're going to have an LED strip. Those are controlled by the panel inside. I'll show you when we get inside. In your front compartments here, you have a pre-cutout for a generator. Right now, your power cord's sitting in there. You have your 12-volt deep cell battery inside this compartment here. Right to the right, you're going to have a little manual light, has a switch underneath of it. Coming on the driver's side here, you have a little cheat sheet for the leveling system. Right below it, you have your leveling system inside a little door. Looks like this on the outside. Your power button, turn it on. It's going to be a retract and extend button here. So if the LED is lit, that means retract. Now what leg do you want to retract? That means you're going to lower that let's say the front. You're going to push and hold front, you're going to retract it. Now to raise it, make sure the LED is off. Then you're going to choose what leg do you want to raise or lower. When your truck's out of the way, hit auto level, your unit will level out by itself. Right to the right of that, you're going to have your VIN, model, make, everything you need to know about your camper here with your tire pressure. Right below, you're going to have a compartment, each of these compartments, there's going to be one on each side in the very front. They're going to be propane compartments. You're going to have two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. Regulator's going to be right here on the driver's side. On the top here, you're going to see a black knob. If it's pointed forward, you're using the passenger side tank. Pointed to the rear, you're going to use this tank right here. When it goes red, that tank is empty. You'll have to manually turn it over. Going over to the right of that compartment, you're going to have pass-through compartment here. This pass-through compartment has 15 to 30 amp adapter, as well as a 30 to 50 amp adapter, as well as a sewer hose, outdoor shower hookup. Right to the right, inside that same compartment, you're going to have a hole at the bottom. This hole at the bottom is going to allow you to pass water hose or cable cords up here inside to your hookup. This hookup area is going to be your outdoor shower, as well as your winterization port here. To use that winterization port, this lever must be on. Now to use your city water connection, that lever must be off. Now you're going to choose if you want to normal flow, use the water right off the water hose for that city connection, or if you want to fill your unit. That will determine there. If you want to put water inside your tank, point it to the downwards. To use a city water connection, point it to the left. You have black tank flush here, so to the right. These black tank flushes, just know they're for your black tanks. Open your valves before you put water into it. If you do not, you got a full black tank, you're going to have a big mess in the bathroom. Right to the left here, you're going to have your low point drains. Above it, you're going to have battery disconnect. Above that, you're going to have your key TV hookup. To the right of this compartment, you're going to see this exhaust. This exhaust gets extremely hot when you have your furnace on, so make sure you're not leaning anything up against it. Right below, you're going to see a storage tube. That's going to be for your sewer hose. You can access it from either end. Right below here, you're going to see this valve. This valve is going to be for your fresh water, to empty that fresh water tank. Coming in the very back of the axles, you're going to see large pass-through doors. These pass-throughs go to each side of the unit, as well as all the way to the rear. A lot of storage area here. You can each door has its own locks, but it still uses the same key. So each little handle has a lock on it. You got your 50 amp hookup here, as well as your water heater right next to your 50 amp hookup. Another door, another storage area, as well as your back door opens up in bigger area in the rear. So coming on the passenger side here, again, you got the same setup on the other side. Each handle has a lock built into it. Then here, the bar that was hanging on the pass-through wall, that's going to be for your rear, your spare tire. You're going to connect it right here, and then manually reel it down. Here on this unit, you got two awnings. You got a main awning and a rear awning. They're both controlled from the unit inside. Coming up, your steps are just full up. They go inside your door, and your door holds them. We'll get to that here in a minute. Pass through here. The other side of the long pass through, that rod I was talking about for your spare tire is going to be that rod right there. Then your other 30-pound LP tank storage area. Go ahead and go inside your unit. These steps will just fold up just like this. And then back down. Inside your unit, right when you walk inside your unit, right at the baseboard, you're going to see breakers and fuses. Right above that, you're going to have your control panel. Your control panel is going to have these buttons here. These buttons will show you your level. So if you do your level, you'll see the batteries high, black, and fresh. They should all be empty. So you got your rear awning, your front awning controls. Tank heaters, if you plan on going somewhere where it's going to drop below freezing, you'll want to turn those on. To control your water heater, you have your gas side, your electric side, and your water pump switch here. These all down here are lights. So again, the cap lights, those are going to be those white light, or the light, LED lights on the front cap. Safety lights are going to be the white lights. Porch light is going to be normally amber. Awning is going to be the awning lights, of course. Floodlights, and then so basically all the way from here over is outside lights. These two are the one interior. This slide switch here controls the one inside the bed. That will be the master bedroom slide. This one's going to control both of the kitchen slides here. One will come in, and then the other one will come in as soon as the other one's all the way in. Left one here is going to control your slide inside the living room on the left here. The one to the right, the last button here, is going to control the slide out right to your right. So we're going to go into the master bedroom and work our way back to the living room. So master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom, we're going to start from right to left. Inside the big closet here, you got it prepped and ready for a washer and dryer. A motion light above it. Right on the bed, you're going to have charging stations at each side of the bed that's going to have USB chargers as well as outlet chargers. Above it, you're going to see a tap light. This tap light is going to have a button in the center. This button in the center is going to turn it on. They're going to be individual lights, as well as you're going to see a lot of those throughout your camper. Going into your master bathroom here. Master bathroom, you got a dual sinks as well as your shower. Of course, we know how a bathroom works. To the left here, you're going to have max airflow fan. That's going to be here. As well as the light switches below it are going to control the LED lights as well as the lights up above the mirrors. Coming on this side of the master bedroom, you're going to have your TV here as well as more storage area for clothes. Coming out of your master bedroom, or coming in, you're going to see this little AC thermostat controller. You got to push it one time to acknowledge it. Push it again to turn it to fan. Push it again to turn it to cool. Those are cool high, cool low. Let heat, electric or gas. Push again to off. Of course, the up and down arrows are going to be the temp. That's going to be the exact same throughout your unit. Right below it, you're going to have a light switch. That's going to mainly control the lights in the master bedroom here. Coming into your kitchen, we'll start going right to your left. You're going to have another guest bathroom here. This guest bathroom has a manual light switch right to the right here, as well as the max airflow fan too, with a GFI breaker next to the sink. Max airflow fan above. Shut that door, and that leads us into our kitchen here. Our kitchen, the light underneath has its own switch here, as well as these little charging ports. You'll see them throughout your unit. Is held up by a little red knob down there. You gotta lift it, and then push in the red knob, and then it will go down. Vice versa, push it, and then it'll come back up. You'll have it at your kitchen table for sure. There's another one when we get over there. Microwave is going to be best indicator. If you have shore power, the microwave will be on and working. As you can see, the light is on. Now it will, if you are not sure, just check and see if this microwave is running. That's going to be best indicator if the power cord is working. Right below, you're going to have your stovetop. That's going to be like an outdoor grill. You're just going to turn your knob over to the light here, and then you'll push and hold the igniter button. In the middle here, you're going to notice the switch. These are going to be LED lights for the knobs, as well as pointed down, you're going to have the knobs and the oven light. Fridge is going to be your propane shore power fridge. You'll have to turn it on. It'll come on, and then you'll have to, off to the left when this LED light turns off, I'll show you the different modes. To change the modes, you'll push this button. So as you see, it's on the plug mode. It's going to use shore power. That's all you want it to use. Right below it's going to be a little drop. All you want it to use is propane. If you have it on the left over here with the propane and the plug, that means it's going to automatically use the propane as soon as you disconnect from shore power. Change the temp is going to be here. Right to the left here, we're going to have your max airflow fan, as well as your thermostat for out in the living area. Max airflow fan in the kitchen is going to be located right to the left of the island. This is a push button light here. So on your kitchen, your dining set, you're going to have push button lights. And then the LED lights will turn on with the switch inside your control panel. Here you're going to have another charging port. Going into your living area, you're going to have manual lights on each slide, so you have to manually turn these ones on and off. You have a front shade here that will come down. As well as right below it, you have your TV here that will pop as a hideaway TV. It will come up. The switch is going to be inside this left cabinet here, right to the right in the inside. That will bring the TV up or down for traveling purposes or just wanting a nice view of the sun. Right below it, you're going to have a piece of glass. This glass is going to have your surround, your audio behind it. It's going to be the Jettison. You're going to have 3 different zones. You're going to have an outside zone. You're going to have a bedroom zone, as well as the main living zone. You can have them each at different volumes. That's what I like about this system. Right below it, you're going to have your fireplace. This fireplace has the button controls right to the top right, as well as that has a remote. Now, when you're bringing these 2 slide outs in, you want to make sure this cabinet is closed, as well as the cabinet on the right side, and your fireplace is off. That's going to complete our video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore. Have a great day.